Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the temporary Highland Weather studios. Happy Friday. Many of us are waking up to some snowy conditions. Many of you guys are catching this by surprise. Many of us are expecting this. We're going to see some snow continuing throughout the day today. Temperatures not reaching above the upper 30s today. Fall-like temperatures and gusty winds at times. We'll get to that latest details there. As we wake up, if you have school or you have work, you can see snowy conditions continue all the way through 9 a.m. this morning, with temperatures staying directly right at the freezing mark at 32 to 34 degrees. Then we finally see some clearing up from the snow for many locations around 10 a.m. with temperatures in the upper 30s. Then we continue throughout the afternoon. Those windy conditions continue all the way through 4 p.m. Then partly cloudy skies continue at 5 p.m. with temperatures continuing in the mid to upper 30s. Then we see those temperatures still continuing in the 30s into the nighttime hours tonight, with those windy conditions with mostly cloudy skies, with temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 30s around 9 p.m. The overall forecast for today is in the upper 30s for highs as normal, with snow, windy conditions, and fog, with northeast winds at 18 to 23, even gusting up to 38 miles an hour at times, with tonight's lows being at mid 30s. With mostly cloudy and breezy conditions, with northwest winds 20 to 23 miles an hour, with gusts as high as 39 miles an hour. So some very windy conditions. Those windy conditions continue into tomorrow morning, with temperatures in the upper 40s for highs and decreasing clouds, with northwest winds 10 to 18, even gusting up to 39 miles an hour. I do want you to keep in mind we have a winter weather advisory for all counties in our viewing area along the North Carolina-Tennessee state line, for 2 to 3 inches of snow in the lower elevations and 4 to 6 inches in the ridge tops until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And the East Tennessee region in the upper elevations along the North Carolina-Tennessee state line, we can see 2 to 4 inches of snow at lower elevations and 4 to 8 inches on the ridge tops until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. I want to go ahead and take a look at a futurecast here. I want to show you guys something. Starting off the morning, let's go back. Starting off the morning here, we can see at 7:30 a.m. look at all that snowfall. Almost all across western North Carolina. You can see Asheville's getting it. Up there in Burnsville is getting moderate to very heavy snow, making even its way into Hendersonville. We can see some very snowy conditions there in northeast Georgia as well. But as we continue through the futurecast, we can see a little bit of snow showers starting to taper off around 9 o'clock this morning. Then we see it start moving out around 11 o'clock. Many of us will not be having snow, but be careful with those sticky road conditions. Then we see those cloudy conditions continuing all the way through 5, 7 o'clock. Then we see a few snow showers starting to pop up again around 9 p.m. this evening. Then continuing through the futurecast, some mixed precipitation still continues to show at the North Carolina-Tennessee state line, but many of us are going to be at the cloudy conditions. Still continuing through the futurecast, we can just see cloudy conditions continuing. Stray snow shower is possible again tomorrow morning, but the chances remain relatively low. Then we see some clearing out conditions throughout much of the day. Lastly, taking a look at the 7-day forecast here, we can see snowy conditions continue today with highs in the upper 30s. Then we see Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, highs in the upper 40s. Then we see sunny conditions continuing Sunday in the upper 60s for highs. Then showers continue all the way through Tuesday with temperatures in the upper 60s, even reaching the mid-50s around Tuesday. Then Wednesday into Thanksgiving, we can see rainy conditions with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s and lows in the lower to mid-30s, warming up a little bit into the mid-40s Thursday. All right, everyone. Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. We're also doing a new graphic rebrand on Monday, so make sure you stay tuned to that. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and we will be here to provide you the latest updates on the snow forecast. All right, everyone. Have fun in the snow.